show you a little bit about it. I'm sorry I don't know your name just yet, but I'll show you a little bit about this car. This is our value priced car. It's still got the fluidic sculptor design. This car is big enough to seat, as you can see, three comfortably across that back seat. Got a couple of bucket seats up front. This is a 6-way adjustable seat for the driver. Got power windows, power locks, power mirrors. This thing comes equipped with also the best warranty in the auto business. It comes from Hyundai. You got a 10-year, 100,000 miles on your powertrain and warranty. We double it here at Tameron Hyundai for a 20-year, 200,000 mile warranty. You've got a 5-year, 60,000 miles on your comprehensive warranty. As you can see, it's a great warranty. It's a great value. Give me a call. Again, my name's Corky Hurt. This is Tameron Hyundai in Hoover. You can reach me on my cell phone at 205-337-8139. Through the operator, it will be 205-380-6250. Please contact us via email, looks like, and let's get together and see if we can put you in a new accent. Thank you.